Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. This video is all about fixing the issue while installing any game. You got an error, unable to execute file, create process, failed code 2. So without wasting time, let's go ahead and directly proceed with the resolution. First of all, you need to open up your control panel. In control panel, under the view by, choose the option small icons so that you will find Windows Defender Firewall option. Once you find it, click on it. Then from the left pane, click on the option allow an app or feature through firewall, and then click on the option change settings. Now right over here you will find the option of allow another app. Click on it. Now you need to click on the option browse, and you need to browse the directory of the game which is giving you the error. I'll give you an example. Suppose in my system I want to install a game and the game is RDR2. So I'll go ahead and open this folder, and in this folder under the MD5 folder you will find that particular file which is giving you the error quicksfv. Select this file and click on the option open. Now hit the option add. Now once it is added, check mark both the options private as well as public. After doing so, hit the OK button. Now again open the game directory. So the game directory is in G drive, games, RDR2, and here is the setup file. Now you need to right click on the setup file and choose the option run as administrator. After doing these two steps, the installation will be proceed and the issue of unable to execute the file create process failed error code 2 will be completely fixed out. So as of now, this is all about it friends. If this video works out for you, I request you to please click on subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue receiving update from my channel. Thank you so much friends. Thank you for watching.